Hi, we are Techno Exponent. We have gone through your job details and understand that you are looking for an app developer who will develop hybrid apps using Ionic 4, Angular 6, RxJS, which is a library for reactive programming, using observables to make it easier to compose asynchronous or callback based code, using NGRX store, which is a GitHub store, using reactive streams, Sass for iOS and Android on smartphones and tablets. Well, I am happy to tell you that we will be definitely able to help you regarding this issue, as we have developed a lots of Android and iOS apps. So here in this video I will be explaining some of our most recent and popular projects which we have done recently. So let's begin. So at first let me show you Clockn. It is one of our most recent project which we have done recently. This app has many features. As you can see, this dashboard contains so many features. From this live look feature, the user can see who is presently working or who is presently clocked in the system. So as no one is clocked in, so the message is showing that everyone is clocked out. From this clock-in section, user can clock in into the system by selecting the job code, and user location will be detected automatically by the real-time location service system, and then click onto the clock in button. So a pop-up will be showing that the user have successfully clocked in into the system. So after successfully clocking in, there will be a live timer going on. As you can see, a live timer is going on, which is calculating current day and week of the user. So if the user want, they can also clock out from the system by just clicking onto the clock out button. And there is also a message showing that the user have successfully clocked out. From this history portion, user can check the previous clocked in and clocked out history of the another users in details. As you can see, all the specifications are showing in details. User can also manage the settings of this app by this settings part, and there is also a generate report portion from which user can generate a particular employee's report. Let me show you an example. First of all, user have to select the employee, then select the start date, and then select the end date. After selecting all these fields, user have to click onto the search button, and as you can see, the particular users all report are showing all together, like in time, out time, total working time, total break taken time. So user can download this report by the send report option. This app is basically a paid app. As you can see, there is a free trial going on, and it will be end in 4 days. So in order to use the app in full-fledged, user have to first subscribe into the app. For this, we have introduced Stripe Payment Gateway, and user can have the subscription plan selected by these sections where the options are provided. So these are some features of this app, and this app contains many more features. As you can see, to keep the video short, I cannot explain all those features to you, and I request you to check all the features in details, for which I have provided this app's link in the project description part, and I request you to please check out all the details thoroughly. Now moving on to our next project, this is Desty. It is completely a Uber clone app. There is a search bar given here where user have to provide his location first. Suppose I am providing a location, and then user have to select the destination. So as you can see, the app will predict a route through which the cab will travel, and there are so many cab options from which user can select one. There are also two payment methods introduced. One is card method, one is cash method. For the card method, we have used Stripe Payment Gateway. There are many more features in this app. From the settings part, user can select and modify the app settings. From this transaction history part, user can check and select the previous transaction histories which he have done recently, and many more. He can also invite friends by sharing the app's code. So these are some of the features of this app. This app contains many more features, as you can see, and I have provided this app's link in the project description, and I request you to please check all the details thoroughly. Moving on to our next project, this MedCheck. It is a doctor-patient consulting app where user can make an appointment with a doctor through this app. For making an appointment, user first have to select this and then click onto the doctor's list. So the available doctors list will appear depending on the user selection. As you can see, the available doctors list has been appeared. From here, user can select the doctor which he want to see. There is another interesting feature of this app, which is self-health assessment. For this feature, user have to first select the gender, then he have to select his age, and after that there will be a list of diseases will appear, from which user can select one if he have one, and if the issue is minor, then the app will predict a remedy right away, and if the issue is major, then the app will suggest the user to consult with a doctor. This app contains many more features, as if the lab test reports can be shown from here. Medical insurance reports can also be generated from here. There are also membership plans through which user can have the membership in the app, for which we have introduced Stripe Payment Gateway. And another interesting thing is that this is a bilingual app. As you can see, English and Vietnamese 2 language options are provided here. So if you want, we can do this the same to your app as well. So this app contains many more features. As you can see, to keep the video short, I cannot explain all those features to you, and I request you to please check all the features, for which I have provided this app's link in the project description. Well, moving on to our next projects. This is Hajj and Umrah Chat. It is a Saudi Arabian government project for the Hajj performers, where you Hajj performers can communicate with each other through this app. The main interesting feature of this app is chat feature. Let me show you. So as you can see, the chat feature is working properly, as user has initiated the chat. There is also an option where user can attach files through his phones. User can also detect another user's location who has initiated the chat from this location service system. So the another user's location will be pinpointed to the map, and you can see it is an interactive map. Through this location service system, user can keep track of another user who have initiated the chat with the user. This app has many more interesting features, like the emergency services, emergency reporting. User can also book a hotel through this app. There is also a group chat option provided here, and this app has many more features, as you can see. To keep the video short, I cannot explain all those features, and I request you to please check all the features to you. And another interesting thing to mention, that this is also a multilingual app, as you can see. So these are some projects which we have done recently, and we have done many more projects, and we will be more than happy to share those links with you if got the opportunity. With over 8 years of experience, we have pursued projects on technologies including React Native, Firebase, Objective-C, Swift, PHP, MySQL, and many more. We have also a really experienced development team working behind us to develop our projects in real time and better way. We also provide a 1 year's free maintenance and support and bug fixing on our productions. So I do hope we really get the opportunity to work together in the near future. So thanks for watching this video and have a great day.